Goldie Delegation Loop. This is a new paradigm for AI-powered business automation, right? So most people think AI is just like a ChatGPT style thing, but that's basically like buying a Formula One car and only using it to get the shopping, right? The Goldie Delegation Loop is a completely different paradigm. So it's built on one idea, which is your AI should do things, not just say things. So layer one is a brain, and there's 3 layers to this. So layer one is a brain, which is Claude. So Claude is the thinking, planning, decision-making layer, right? You talk to Claude in plain English, Claude understands your goals, breaks it down, decides what needs to happen. So Claude is basically the CEO of this setup, right? And then you got the bridge, which is Hermes MCP. So this is the connector that most people don't know exists. Yeah. And so Hermes MCP is an invisible pipeline. It sits between Claude and the real world. So when Claude says, does this, do this, the bridge makes sure that Hermes actually hears it. And without the bridge, Claude can think, but never really act. It can use Claude Desktop, but it's not as powerful as something like Hermes Agent. There's a reason why Hermes Agent is the biggest AI agent in the world right now. And that's because it's way more autonomous, way more powerful, right? And so the bridge is the missing piece that 99% of AI users don't have. And you can set up with this Hermes MCP setup that we've done today. And then you got the hands, which is Hermes Agent. So Hermes Agent is the part that physically does the work. Claude is a brain, the MCP is a bridge, and then the hands are Hermes Agent. So Hermes Agent is the part that does the work. It runs on your computer, it can browse the web, it can send emails, create documents, schedule tasks, message people, and remember things long term. So it's the worker that works 24/7, never complains, and never sleeps. So basically how this works is that you speak, Claude listens, it thinks, Hermes acts, results come back, and you delegate again, right?